Please allow me to introduce myself. I've been around a long time. Stole many a man and woman's soul to waste. Pleased to meet you. Hope you guess my name. What's puzzling you? It's the nature of my game. And it's just fine if you refuse to think I even exist. That's my favorite tool of destruction. No one likes me once they know my nature. Denial is perfect to me, and in doing so I destroy anyone who denies I exist, spiritually hoping to hide the truth and your freedom. The only asset I have is more time, because I admit I tried to overthrow the Creator and creation itself. I am the biggest loser. I myself could not see God, and because I was third in command and did not fully understand, I found out the hard way. I know as a condemned being that now I am being used in ways here on earth that allow the contrast to be seen between evil and good. Righteousness that produces possibly your salvation in Jesus. Duality, it's a tool. Free will, a choice. Few care to know that salvation even exists in Jesus, who is one with invisible Holy Spirit, thus seeing God in Jesus. Now I get it. And because this is so simple and complex, I do everything I can to destroy and conceal any soul being processed on earth from discovering the truth and eternal power that becoming one with Jesus, the Messiah who gives life eternal in and with Holy Spirit, from seeing God is real and receiving their freedom as salvation in Jesus. I tempted Jesus, God myself, not fully realizing He is God Himself, still not fully seeing God, who, it turns out, He is, as part of what is called 3-in-1 God Trinity. I thought Jesus was simply second in command and knew I was powerful too, thinking I was better. I created a false sense of power in the ego, thinking I am better. I believe that genuinely. Now it's my tool and illusion I use to destroy souls. God uses this whole system to discover who really cares enough to love Him, God Himself, and Jesus. I admit this is brilliant and simple, while being very clever and loving, allowing everyone originally, including me, free will to choose. Wow. This is why I can destroy billions on earth now, because almost everyone is either spiritually blind or they think they are powerful and better than others too. That's what I thought. I thought that too because I was better, smarter, and more knowledgeable with regard to matter itself. Yet I discovered I wasn't better with respect to Creator God, whom I too could not see. And in Jesus, He was right next to me, God Himself in Jesus. Jesus, I could see and felt equal to, and then came Holy Spirit, who Jesus gave you. I did not know all this truth before my failed attempt in taking over, because I had no faith, no hope, no love, or trust in our triune God. I did not fully understand, whom I also now serve in a very, very strange way. I am Satan, the ruler of Earth's materialism that destroys the vast majority of all souls, keeping most from spiritual truth. Up and until now, I have been in charge on Earth materialistically, and then some, including hiding the church and Jesus himself. I am being exposed by several very clever beings who came to serve Jesus, and I don't like you because I can't stop you from exposing me turning more towards Jesus. I fear God and Jesus and Holy Spirit and make it look like I fear nothing, in order to destroy you who don't understand spirit versus materialism. Jesus and Holy Spirit are the power of hope, faith, and love. You do not have to fear anything, nor feel anxious or guilty. If and only if you seek Jesus, asking him into your life. Yet, you don't know me, Satan the enemy. I'm like a lion ready to devour anyone. Most do not know Jesus and Holy Spirit, who are God in action, or more especially, why they are important at all. Time no longer waits. You have nothing to fear except fear itself, has been said. Unless you reach out and accept who, why, and how Jesus is important and how he changes lives, then you don't have a chance. Holy Spirit is all around and even in some of you who believe. Go ahead and deny me now, taking no action, and guess what happens? Deny Jesus. Never access Holy Spirit, few really do, and continue to be separated spiritually from creation itself. Most will deny Jesus. Fine by me. Now what? How much time does anyone really have? Every knee will bend, and Jesus is the answer. Go ahead, deny him and me, and guess what happens, irregardless of how wonderful your big heart is. Wow. Seek Jesus, he gives Holy Spirit, and then God's kingdom comes, and Creator God's will be done. I can't stop it. Yet, you wait, thinking Jesus not important, and you only think of him at Christmas and Easter briefly. Good. Keep it up. The free will choice is yours. No choice is same as choosing. There is no longer room to be lukewarm either. All or nothing. I am Satan, your enemy and no one's friend. Pleased to meet you. Now you know the nature of my game. So what? Do you really care to seek truth?